Are naps really good for your brain? Welcome to Fluent English Power, the place where your English grows stronger every day. Today, let's talk about something we all love: sleep. But not just any kind of sleep, we're talking about naps. Yes, those short little breaks during the day when you just want to close your eyes for a while. But here's a big question. Are naps good or bad for your brain? Let's find out. Think about this. You've been working or studying for hours. You feel tired, your brain feels slow, and your eyes want to shut. That's when a nap can feel like a gift. But is it really helpful, or just a lazy habit? The truth is, naps can be powerful for your brain if done the right way. Why naps are important? Naps are like a short recharge for your mind. Imagine your brain is like a phone battery. When it's low, you don't throw the phone away, you charge it. In the same way, a nap helps your brain recharge so it can work better. Scientists say even a short nap of 10 to 30 minutes can improve your focus, memory, and mood. When you nap, your brain gets a short break from thinking and processing. It uses this time to clean up thoughts, store important information, and prepare you for the rest of the day. This is why people who nap often feel sharper, more creative, and less stressed after waking up. Naps and the brain. According to many sleep studies, the brain becomes more active in certain areas during naps. For example, the hippocampus, a part of the brain that helps with memory, becomes stronger when you take short naps regularly. So, if you're learning something new like English, napping can help your brain remember better. Another reason naps are good is because they can reduce mental fatigue. When you're tired, your brain struggles to make good decisions or focus on small details. A nap helps remove this brain fog and gives you a fresh start, even if the day isn't over. When is the best time to nap? Timing matters. Experts say the best time to nap is between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. This is when your body naturally feels a little sleepy, especially after lunch. If you nap too late in the day, it can affect your night's sleep. Also, keep it short. A nap of 20 to 30 minutes is perfect. Longer naps can make you feel groggy or sleepy when you wake up, which is not helpful. Pros of taking naps. Let's look at the benefits clearly. Improves memory and learning. Boosts mood and reduces stress. Increases creativity and problem solving. Gives more energy to finish the day. Improves heart health and lowers blood pressure. Many successful people, like Albert Einstein and Leonardo da Vinci, were known for taking short naps during the day. So, if you nap smartly, you're in great company. The downside of napping, and how to nap the right way. So, we've seen how powerful naps can be, but like anything in life, too much of a good thing can be a problem. Yes, naps can help you feel fresh, focused, and ready, but only if you do it the right way. Now let's talk about some of the downsides or cons of napping, and how to avoid them. When napping goes wrong. One of the biggest problems people face after napping is something called sleep inertia. It means waking up from a nap and feeling even more tired, confused, or slow. This usually happens when you nap for too long, like more than 40 to 60 minutes. Your body enters deep sleep, and when you wake up in the middle of it, your brain doesn't like it. That's why you may feel lazy or unmotivated afterward. Another issue is that napping too late in the day, especially after 4 p.m., can mess up your night's sleep. You may find it harder to fall asleep at night or stay asleep, and that can lead to poor energy the next day. So, if you're already having trouble sleeping at night, frequent or late naps may not be helpful. Also, some people start using naps to escape from stress or problems instead of solving them. Napping out of boredom, sadness, or anxiety is not healthy. It becomes a habit that doesn't support growth. That's why it's important to nap with purpose, not just to run away from daily life. Common napping mistakes. Let's be honest, most people don't know how to nap correctly. Here are some common mistakes. Napping too long, more than 30-40 minutes, can leave you groggy. Sleeping too late in the day, after 3 or 4 p.m., it affects your night's sleep. Napping in a noisy or bright place, you can't relax properly. Using naps to avoid responsibilities, which leads to guilt and less productivity. So, if you're going to nap, do it right. How to nap the smart way. Now that we know the problems, let's talk about the best way to nap, a way that actually helps your brain and body feel better. 1. Keep it short. The sweet spot is 20 to 30 minutes. That's enough time to rest your mind without falling into deep sleep. 2. Pick the right time. The best time to nap is between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m., when your energy naturally drops. Avoid evening naps unless you're sick or extremely tired. 3. Create a relaxing space. Try to nap in a quiet, dark, and cool place. If you're in a bright area, cover your eyes with a sleep mask or use earplugs to block noise. 4. Set an alarm. Always set a timer so you don't oversleep. Waking up at the right time is important to avoid grogginess. 5. Use naps to support your learning. If you're studying English or working on a new skill, taking a nap after learning helps your brain store and remember it better. A small nap can lead to big results. Some of the world's most productive and creative people have used short naps to refresh their minds. Whether it's a student preparing for exams, an artist working on new ideas, or someone learning a new language, a short nap can unlock more energy, better focus, and stronger brain performance. If you're building a better future, growing your skills, and learning English with Fluent English Power, naps can be your secret weapon. They may look small, but the results can be huge if you use them wisely. So don't feel guilty about resting. In fact, rest is a part of success. But always remember, balance is the key. Rest enough to recharge, but don't let naps replace your full night's sleep or your goals. If this video helped you understand the power of naps and how they can improve your brain and learning, then do me a small favor, hit the like button, because it really supports this channel. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Do you take naps during the day? Do they help you focus better? Comment below and share your experience. I reply to every comment. And if you're serious about improving your English and your daily habits, then don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English Power for more helpful, clear, and powerful English lessons, new videos every week. Let's grow, learn, and speak English with confidence together.